So what would you say to a 13-year-old girl who thinks maths isn't for them?
Well, the first thing I would ask is, why do you think it's not for you? And if you don't think it's for you, who do you think it's for?
I would tell them they're being silly. I think that maths can be for whoever wants it to be for them.
What makes you a mathematician? What makes maths for you? It's like, are you a curious person?
Maths is so much bigger than you think it is. Again, when you're at school, it can seem like maths is algebra and calculus and that's it, but maths is tons of stuff. Almost any problem that you want to look at can be looked at through a mathematical lens. So I think maths not being for you just means that you haven't found the right part of maths yet that you enjoy.
My advice would be, if you want to find out if maths is for you, if you've kind of, then first you look at your prejudices and you think, am I just eliminating this because I don't really know, I don't really see anyone else doing it? Really question yourself and why you're asking yourself that question. And once you've done that, I want you to go and look at maths that is nothing to do with your syllabus. Like anything that you've been learning, try to pick up a book on something random like group theory. Group theory is a great place to start. Read about symmetries in a cube and see if that makes you excited, makes you happy. And let that be the only thing that makes the decision for you. One of the reasons that I got into maths is because I'm really bad at adding. I'm chronically bad at adding and subtracting. Because when I was younger, when I was 13, I genuinely thought I was so bad at maths because I was so bad at that kind of just like basic, because I couldn't find out where you were subtracting from. And in my head, I was like, but are you subtracting from the top of the number one or the bottom? And I thought it was because everyone around me had understood the way that numbers worked. I was just behind. And then around 16 or 17, when I actually bothered to kind of start reading, and I'd actually recommend specifically Introduction to Mathematical Philosophy by Bertrand Russell. It's like quite a small book, and it's like a very good introduction to some of the more like concepts in maths. You realize that you're right for being confused, and that anybody at any stage who acts as if they understand what's going on with maths has no idea what's going on. Don't mistake confidence in your peers for certainty.